Today we're going to rehydrate the Boveda packs. You can see when they dry out, they get pretty hard, they get crunchy, crispy. It's almost like there's a salt pack in there that dries up and gets hard. And I've seen a lot of guys do this a lot of different ways. Some guys wet a paper towel, just moist, wrap it up and then put it in a Tupperware container or a Ziploc bag, and they leave it in there, and the moisture from the paper towel goes right into it. I didn't want anything touching the actual paper, so the Boveda packs are uniquely designed. They actually give off humidity and they suck in humidity. So my plan, I have this Tupperware container and I'm going to keep them in a little cup. In the Tupperware container, I'm going to fill the bottom with water, and you can use distilled water if you want to. Supposedly that way they don't get any minerals or anything like that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to take it from the tap, fill it up, and rehydrate these. Usually it takes about 3 to 4 days. I'm going to leave it in there a week because why not? Okay, so I filled the bottom with like an inch or so of water. You can do this if you have other Tupperwares. You could have just a little shot glass of water or something like that. Keep them in a sealed thing with a shot glass of water. They'll do the same thing. So we're gonna put them in. So they're in there. And we're gonna seal them up. And boom, we're just gonna wait probably a week or so, and then we're gonna pull them out, see how they are. See if they have any, they should be almost liquid inside, like a gel. Seasons change, time passes by. Okay, through the magic of video, we are now in the future.
Time circuits on, flux capacitor, fluxing.
I've gone about 10 days into the future, and let's open it up and see what we get. Oh yeah. Well, this one still has a little bit of a hard pack in it. This big one is completely reusable, completely soft, completely gel. This one actually has a lump. I'm gonna put it back in, let it just sit in there for like another 10 days. Like I said, you put them in there, you totally forget about it. The one that worked, the big one, it might just be because this has more area to collect the humidity, and that one's a very small one. It's kind of cool that you could revive these, and then they're good for like another 2-3 months, and then you just do the whole process again. So it kind of neat. You can buy new ones. New ones seem to last a little longer. They seem to be a little better, but this is a great way to save some money. So I hope that helped you out. And if you do, can you hit subscribe and like? I always love seeing those numbers go up. So if you can hit like and subscribe, and if you want to leave a comment, that's cool too. Let me know what you guys do. Like I said, there's other ways of doing this. This is the way I do. And it seems to be nice because it's very low impact. You don't get anything wet. Good luck out there getting them ready. You want to find out about some other cigars? Well, come on into my lounge. I got some other reviews here, and you can take a look and see if there's anything you like.